Whoa, welcome to Asher Learning Adventures. And today we're doing
Shapes.
Yes, today we are doing shapes. Are you ready to learn some new shapes?
Yeah.
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Alright, let's pick them up. Let's see. No see. Let's see. Let's pick one up over there.
Wow.
Whoa.
Yes, this one. Do you think you know? Yes, it's a triangle.
Yes, it's a triangle. And where does it go on this table?
Here?
Yes! The triangle goes right there.
And it says triangle.
Yes, it says triangle right there. What color is the triangle?
Gray.
Gray triangle. Yeah. Good job.
Okay.
All right. No see. Let's see. Ooh.
Look at this guy sticking out his thumb.
Let me see. Ooh.
He's sticking out his thumb.
Yeah, he's sticking out his tongue.
Yes, this one. Do you think you know? Yes, it's a pentagon.
Yes, that's a pentagon. And where does it go? Let's see. Ooh, right there.
Yes.
Ooh, nice. A pentagon. And what color is the pentagon?
Blue.
Whoa, blue.
It looks like light blue.
Yeah, like light blue. Like teal, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 more?
Yes.
Ooh, 6 more to go. Let's see what we find next. No see. Ooh,
Look at this guy smiling.
let me see. Let me take a look at it. Ooh,
Yes, this one.
ooh, what could it be?
What could it be? Yes, it's a star.
Yeah, that's a star. And where does it go? Yeah.
So we
That's
have
where it goes.
So-
That's where the star goes. And what color is the star?
purple. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, we need 5 more. We have a triangle, we have a pentagon, and we have a star.
It
Yes.
looks like twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Yes, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yeah. So fun. All right, no see. Let's pick another shape. Ooh. What could it be? Yes. This one. Yeah. Show it.
Yes, this one. Yes, it's a heart.
Yes, it's a heart. Where does it go? There it goes.
It goes hard.
Right there. And what color is it?
Red.
Yes, it's red. We have a nice red heart right there.
And we need 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, 4. 4 pieces to go. And what do we have so far right here? What pieces do we have here?
Triangle, pentagon, star, and heart.
Yes, all right. No C. Let's pick another one. Ooh, what is that? Let me see.
That looks like a circle.
Ah, you already said what it is. It is a circle. Oh my God. It's a circle. And what color is it?
Yellow.
Ah, yellow circle. And where does it go? Yes, it's a happy yellow circle. Yes, we have a...
I'm spinning it around.
Yes, it is spinning around. We have a happy yellow circle. Whoa. Whoa, how many more to go?
Really? 1, 2, 3.
3 more to go. All right. No see. Let's see what we get. Ooh, guess.
This one.
Yes, this one. Let me see. Ooh, what could that one be? What's the name of this shade?
It's called diamond.
It's a diamond. And where does it go on the table? Yes, it goes right there. Turn around. It's a
Diamond.
And what color is it?
Green.
It's a green diamond. Yes. Look how nice it is. It's a green diamond. And we have how many more to go?
1, 2.
We have 2 more pieces to go. Let's find out. No see. Whoa. Ooh, guess.
This one.
Guess this one. Let me take a look at it. Ooh, guess this one. What this shape is called?
A square.
It is a square. And what color is that square?
Orange.
Orange square. And where does it go? Yes! We have a real cool, smiley, orange square.
And what does it call?
Square.
An orange square.
Yes, an orange square. Whoa, so much fun. Ooh, what do we have in there so far? What shapes do we have in there?
One more.
One more, but the ones that we have in there, let's say what they are.
A triangle, a pentagon, a star, a heart, a square, a circle, and a diamond.
And a diamond. And we're missing one more. Let's pick it up.
It's a hexagon.
It's a hexagon. And let's pick it up. No see. Boo. And we don't need to guess that one because we already know it is a
hexagon.
A hexagon. And put it where it goes. And what color is it?
Pink.
It's a pink hexagon. And let's see where it goes. Well, you cannot put it there. It goes right here. And we have a pink hexagon. Whoa.
Go pink hexagon.
So fun.
Pink hexagon.
Pink hexagon. All right, let's go over it.
Let's go over what we learned today. This is a gray triangle. This is a blue pentagon. This is a purple star. This is a pink hexagon. This is a red heart. This is an orange square. This is a yellow circle. This is a green diamond. Today you have learned some basic shapes and colors.
Woo!